In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Salesforce Classic. If you're currently using Lightning Experience and need to access the Classic interface for a specific workflow, you can switch in just a few clicks. I'll walk you through exactly where to find the option and share a few tips so everything goes smoothly. First, make sure you're signed in and sitting on your Salesforce homepage in Lightning. You'll know you're in Lightning if you see the modern navigation with the app launcher grid and the setup gear near the top right. It's best to use a supported up-to-date browser so menus load properly. One important note up front, the ability to switch to Salesforce Classic is only available on paid plans, and some organizations or user profiles may have this option turned off by an administrator. If you don't see it later, I'll explain what to check. From your Salesforce homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen for your user icon. This is your profile avatar, usually a small circle with your photo or your initials. Click that icon to open your user menu. This menu gives you quick access to personal settings and, when available, the toggle between Lightning and Classic. In the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Switch to Salesforce Classic. It may be a few items down the list, often near personal settings or help links. Go ahead and click Switch to Salesforce Classic. Your page will refresh and you'll land in the Classic interface. You can confirm you're in Classic by the more compact layout and the traditional tab bar running across the top of the page. If you don't see the Switch to Salesforce Classic option, there are a few common reasons. Your organization might not be on a paid plan that includes Classic access. Your administrator may have disabled Classic for your profile, or you might not have the necessary permission to switch. In that case, try a quick refresh, then check with your Salesforce admin to confirm whether Classic is enabled for your org and for your user. Clearing your browser cache or trying another supported browser can also help if a menu item isn't appearing due to a display glitch. That's it. From your Salesforce homepage in Lightning, click your profile icon in the top right, then choose Switch to Salesforce Classic. With those simple actions, you can access Classic whenever your plan and permissions allow. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you move confidently between interfaces as your work requires.